Booth algorithm. Booth algorithm means we are performing multiplication operation. Multiplication operation more, it will perform multiplication operation more faster. It is radix 2 algorithm. Xi minus 1, yi, and operate for this whole combinations, what operations to be performed. These are the combinations, 4 combinations. Since it is radix 2, we will get 4 combinations. 2 inputs we are giving, so we will get 4 combinations. 2 square 4. Yi means we have to subtract xi from xi minus 1. Xi minus 1 minus xi. Here 0 0 means xi minus 1, 0 minus 0, it is 0. If we get 0, we have to do arithmetic right shift operation. 1 minus 0, it is 1. Then we have to do a plus m. A plus m here. A plus m means multiplier. If we want to do multiplication operation 7 into 3, for example 7 into 3 means 21. Here this is multiplier and this is multiplicand. 7 is the multiplier and 3 is the multiplicand. We have to, A means accumulator. It will store some value. Accumulator plus m. M means multiplier. We have to do a plus m operation if we get plus 1 for 0 1 combination. And again we have to do arithmetic right shift operation. If for 1 0 combination we got minus 1, means xi minus 1 means 0. 0 minus 1 is, it is minus 1. We have to do a minus m and again we have to perform arithmetic right shift operation. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, it is 0. Again we have to do arithmetic right shift operation. For 0 0 and 1 1 we have to do same arithmetic right shift operation. 7. We take example as 7 into 3. The binary representation of 7 is 0 1 1. How we got 0 1 1? Take 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. We want only 7. 2 power 0 is, anything to the power of 0 is 1. 2 power 1, 2. 2 square means 4. 2 cube means 8. 2 power 4 is not required as of now. So, wherever we want that we get that number, take it as 1 and we don't require 8. So, 0. The binary represents 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. We want 4. To get 7, we want 4 to 1. So, we placed 1. So, 8 is not required, so 0. As well as 3. The binary representation of 3 is 0 0 1 1. For example, if we take this bit, this 0 is called MSB. MSB means most significant bit. And this is called least significant bit. And this one is called least significant bit. Here, this 0 is called MSB, most significant bit. And this one is called least significant bit. According to this table, Booth recording table, we have to plot the values to get 21 as the answer. Here A means accumulator. Initially we are loading the accumulator as 4 zeros. Qi means multiplicand. We are taking Qi as multiplicand. Qi multiplicand means 3. 0 0 1 1. Qi minus 1. If here, for assume it is 1, Qi is 1 or Qi is 2. Assume Qi is 2. Then Qi minus 1. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Qi is 1. Then Qi minus 1 will become 0. M means multiplier, 7. This is the binary representation of 7. Let us forget about this. Now, take Qi and Qi minus 1. Qi means 3. This is the binary representation of 3. This is the MSB bit and this is the LSB bit. Take this LSB bit and 0 and 1 0. first we have to take 1 0. In this table 1 0, for 1 0 combination we got -1. -1 means what operations we have to be performed? A minus m, accumulator, we have to do 2's complement. Subtraction means we are doing we have to do 2's complement, and again we have to do arithmetic right shift operation. For 1 0 combination we got -1, and then we have to perform this term, and then we have to perform this operation. 1 0, we are doing a minus m. We have to perform 2's complement. 2's complement of this 7. See here, we are performing a minus m. M means 0 1 1 1, 7, the binary representation of 7, and we have to perform 2's complement means first we have to convert this bit into 1's complement. 1's complement means simply we are replacing zeros with ones and ones with zeros. This is the 1's complement of 7. 1 with 0, simply replacing the ones with zeros and zeros with ones, and adding 1 to the 1's complement. This is the 1's complement of 7. We are adding 1 to this 1's complement to get 2's complement. This is called binary subtraction. By adding 1 to this 1's complement, 1 0, it is 1, 0 0 0 1. So 2's complement we got is 1 0 0 1. Simply place here 1 0 0 1 as it is. We have to place as it is QI 0 0 1 1, 0 0 1 1. This is 0 and 0 1 1. What operation we completed? A minus 1 we completed. A minus m, we completed subtraction. A minus m we completed A minus m, and again we have to do arithmetic right shift operation. Arithmetic right shift operation means, for example, take this bit only, 0 1 1 1. Now we have to perform arithmetic right shift operation for this 0 1 1 1. 0 1 1 1, arithmetic right shift operation is different from logical right shift operation. Right shifting means shifting the bits towards right side. Here this one will shift to this side, this one will shift to this one. Here this one will become we will not consider, we won't consider this bit. This is moving to this bit, and this one will come to this in this place, 1 and 1, and this 0 will come to this place, 0, and this is the MSB bit, and this is the LSB bit. This MSB bit is as it is replaced by MSB bit 0 0 1 1. This is called arithmetic right shift operation. For 0 1 1 we got 0 0 1 1 as it. For take this whole combination, we have to perform arithmetic right shift operation for this entire term. Forget about this, we have to keep as it is. Entire the operation is done. We have to perform arithmetic right shift operation for this whole term, shifting the bits towards right, and this 0 will gone. This 0 is in this 0 bit place, we are placing 1, and this 1 will coming here, 0 0, and this one is coming here, 1 0, this 0, this one, and this is the MSB bit. This is the LSB bit and this is the MSB bit. We are replacing the MSB bit as it is. Now we completed arithmetic right shift operation also. Arithmetic right shift operation also. Okay. Now we have to consider this LSB bit and this one. 1 1. For 1 1 combination we got 0. For 0 what operation we have to do? Arithmetic right shift operation. Again we are performing arithmetic right shift operation for this whole term. This one will go. And this one is replaced by this one. 1. This combination we performed this operation for which combination we performed this operation? 1 0 1 0. Now we are doing 1 1. For 1 1 combination we are doing arithmetic right shift operation. Here we completed for 1 combination we completed one operation. Here we are performing for 1 1 operation. For 1 1 combination we are doing arithmetic right shift operation. This one is replaced. This one is shifted to right side. This one will go. This one is shifted to here. Again 0 0 1 and here 0 0 1 1. This one came to here, and this 0 is 0 0 1. This 0 here, this 0 1 1. And again this is the MSB bit. MSB bit is replaced as it is. This is for 1 1 combination we have to do arithmetic right shift operation. This is for 1 1 combinations. 1 1 combination. Here we performed 2 tasks. For 1 0 and 1 1 we completed. We left with 0 0 and 0 1. Here now consider this. This is the LSB bit. This LSB bit with this one, and similarly as it is this is the LSB bit. This LSB bit, QI LSB bit with this one, QI LSB bit with this one for 0 1 combination. For 0 1 combination we have to perform, we got +1, so we have to perform A plus M and arithmetic right shift operation. First we have to perform A plus M. A means this one, accumulator. This now for now accumulator it is containing 1110 and M. M means same. Here M 0 0 111. Here also 0 111. Now we have to perform A plus M. Here we have to, for 0 1 combination we have to perform A plus M. A plus M means A means 1110. M means M doesn't change. 0 0 111. Now we have to perform addition operation. Addition 1 0 1 means 1. 1 1 means in binary 1 1 means 1 0. 111 means 1 1. 1 1 means 1 0. This is carry. Carry bit we don't consider carry bit. A plus M means 0 1 0 1. Replace here. And this value is loading. We have to place this value in accumulator. 0 1 0 1. 0 1 0 1. And we don't change this value. 0 1 0 0. And this as it is. Now we performed a plus m. Again what we have to perform? Arithmetic right shift operation. We have to perform arithmetic right shift operation for this whole term. This is the MSB bit, most significant bit, and this is the LSB bit. We have to perform arithmetic right shift operation for this whole term. This one will go. This 0 will come here. 0 0 1 0 1. Again 0 1 0. And this MSB bit, we take MSB bit as it is. Now we completed arithmetic right shift operation also. For which combination we completed? 0 1. We performed 3 operations for 1 0 1 1 and 0 1. Now we have to consider these 2 bits. 0 0. For 0 0 combination we have to do only arithmetic right shift operation. QI, this is the least significant bit of QI. We have to consider the least significant bit of QI and QI minus 1. For 0 0 combination we have to go to the table and we have to check for 0 0 combination what we have to do, what operation we have to perform. Arithmetic right shift operation. Now we have to do arithmetic right shift operation, only arithmetic right shift operation for this one. We have to place here for this also 0 1 1. We don't, for this combination also 0 1 1. In this multiplier we don't make any changes. Here also 0 1 1. Now we have to perform arithmetic right shift operation for this whole term. This 0 will go, and this 0 is replaced by this 0. 0 1 0 1 this 0 1 0 0, and this MSB bit will remain same. Now we have to check whether we got 21 or not. Consider this whole term. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, and so on. 2 power 0 means 1, plus 2 power 1 means it is 0, we don't consider. If it is only 1, we have to consider. If it is 0 means simply placing 0. 2 square means 4. It is 1, we have to consider 4. 2 cube means 8. It is 0, we don't consider. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Finally we got 21. 7 into 3, 21. This is all about Booth algorithm. Booth algorithm means we are doing, this is Booth recording table. Booth recording table. This is radix 2 Booth algorithm. xi minus 1, yi, and for this operations, for this whole combinations, what operations we have to be performed. 0 0. Here the inputs, here these are the inputs. 2 inputs means we will get 4 combinations. If at all these are the 3 inputs, we will get 8 combinations. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. This is likewise. This is, as this is 2-bit, we will get 4 combinations. For we have to, yi means we have to subtract xi from xi minus 1. We will get these values. For these values, what operations we have to done. We are doing multiplications. 7 into using Booth algorithm, we used to do multiplications. Here we done 7 into 3, 21 multiplication. This is all.